Good morning, folks. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty. Today I'm going to be showing you a nice pre-owned Reflections by Grand Design. It's 317 RST. I actually took this vehicle in on trade. Very, very nice pre-owned coach. Looks like new at a pre-owned price. Let's take a look inside. This is a great floor plan. Reflections is a very well built coach. It's got a nice pantry. It's got the good size double door fridge, freezer, microwave, gas grill top, gas oven, nice stainless steel double sink, pull out faucet, freestanding chairs, table and chairs, nice, I'm going to say at least a 37-inch flat screen LED TV, fireplace, nice sleeper sofa, theater seating. It's got, of course, air conditioning. It's got great amount of storage. You've got a bank of drawers over here. Good sized drawers. Another drawer under the oven. Cabinet space below the sink. Of course, up here. Notice there's no carpet on the steps. Makes your steps stay looking nicer, a lot longer. A little storage here. Nice coat closet and your monitoring panel right there. Step up here into the bathroom. Of course, the bathroom closes off right here, and another door in your bedroom that closes the bedroom off. Nice stand-in shower with a seat. Water closet is, of course, right here. Nice king-size bed, great wardrobe. This vehicle actually has a combo washer and dryer already installed in it. Nice set of chest of drawers here, more storage up here. Of course, you have a spot-mounted TV in the bedroom. It's got windows on each side of the bed for nice cross ventilation. Very, very good condition. Used coaches are right now very much in demand and very much at a shortage. So I recommend, if this is something you're interested in, you want to come in and take a look. Of course, it has the electric awning, alloy wheels. We'll step around here. It does have an outdoor kitchen. I don't happen to have a set of keys on me right now, so you're going to have to come in and take a look at that. Of course, a ladder to access your roof. Stinger so that you can put some type of a small rack on the back for bikes or whatever that you wanted to carry with you. This coach does have the electric jacks on it. Oops. Propane bottles on each side. So it's got a full pass-through storage. Folks, again, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Please give me a call at 541-521-8914. We have this coach and quite a few other used coaches in inventory right now. Give us a call. Thank you.